Alright guys, here we go. Tristar Hidden Treasures Platinum Edition Baseballs 2016 release. This is a 2-ball break, number 5. Boxes 9 and 10 of the case. We have boxes 10 and 11 sitting right here that will break. I'll put the last 2 in the store this evening. 16 total spots. Good luck. 1 random letter or 2 letter combo per spot. 1 plus 2, 3 times on the randomizer. There we go. I know. You don't know how many times I've heard that in the last couple days. G-Man TD2 on the top, Big D on the bottom. 1, 2, 3. I can hear myself in the background. Hold on, I gotta mute myself somewhere. Breakers. Yeah, there we go. Sorry, I could hear myself talking. Richard Salas 99 on the top, 5-6 Fly Eagles on the bottom. And on to the letters. AY combo up top, T on the bottom. 1, 2, third and final hit. Cross your fingers, hold your winners. Good luck. 3, P on top and B on the bottom. Alright, Big D, A and Y, 5-6 Fly Eagles B, YBJ C, G-Man TD2 D, Pagoda E and W, Hugh Jassel F, Andy Matthews G, 20 till 3 H, Brady Aggie J, Big D K, Bernie DeRoche L and N, Andy Matthews M, Richard Salas P, Big D R S and T. Pow. Good luck, guys. Nice metallic ball sack here. See what's inside. Looks like a nice clean new ball. Hall of Fame. Gonna be Lou Brock, letter B. That is 5-6 Fly Eagles. There you go, D. Lou Brock. Box 2. Little guy's having trouble falling asleep tonight. That's a tough one. That looks like Louis Aparicio. We're gonna have to look at the. I'm gonna have to look at the paper to confirm that one. It is letter A. Goes to Big D, Louis Aparicio. There you go. 2 more Hall of Famers, Lou Brock and Louis Aparicio. A is a combo. A and Y combo spot. First one. Congrats, Dave. Big D. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. Until next time. Peace.